Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have a bunch of cards out here so you have something pretty to look at. These are the cards that I made for the new box of the month. So I have a video out right now. You can hop along. It's a giveaway, an inspiration hop. So if you missed that video, it also released today. So I'll have it in the description box so you can check it out. But today I wanted to announce that we have a new Stamp of the Month Club and the Stamp of the Month and Coordinating Die Club. So you could choose either if you just want the stamp or if you want the stamp and die. So there's limited quantities on that, so once you see it sold out, it'll be sold out. Until next month, we'll have a new design. We had some delays, so we don't have the stamps in stock right now. So if you go ahead and purchase it, just be aware that they won't be shipping until mid-September. That's when we expect the stamps to arrive. So I'll start shipping then. But hopefully next month we'll be on track, and as soon as you place your order, your stamps will ship out. So if you join the club, you have to choose monthly for your frequency at checkout, and that's going to get you the club discount. So you're going to get 18% off. You'll see that discount in your shopping cart. If you didn't want to join the monthly club and get the stamp every month, you could purchase it just as a one-time purchase by just checking out without choosing the monthly frequency. You just won't get the discount. So I'm going to put the stamp of the month on the screen for you so you can see how cute the stamp is. It's called Autumn Fun. I do have the coordinating die available as well. So if you decide to go with the club, then every 30 days your order will be automatically shipped. If you're in the subscription section, you'll also notice we have a monthly mystery kit. So in that kit includes 6 pieces of designer paper, a small stamp set, either maybe like a 3x4 set or a 2x3 set, one small stamp set, and a few embellishments, just enough to create a handful of cards without breaking the bank. If you purchase it as a monthly subscription, you do get a 5% discount off of the $8. So it's a really great deal. So this is going to be a short video. Just wanted to share the news and share the link. It'll be in the same section as the box of the month. You'll find it under subscriptions. If you decide to purchase the box of the month and the stamp of the month at the same time, please be aware I'll have to hold your whole order until I get the product in. So that may be mid-September, maybe a few days later, depending on if they get it to me on time. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I hope you have a fabulous week, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!